Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can perform the descaling option in the BEKO Cafe Experto. So, in the first step, we have to refill the water tank to the descaling level. Sorry about the focus, so refill the water to this level. After that, add one piece of the descaling detergent that you shall find in the accessories to your appliance. Just open this one and put into the water. After that, put the water tank in the right place behind your coffee maker and prepare before the sufficiently big vessel. Then you have to hold this button for 3 seconds and wait for the beep signal telling you that there is no water in the water tank. So refill the water tank again to the descaling option and hold this button again for okay, you don't need to push this button again. It's gonna be automatically, and this second part of the descaling. Just wait, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.